Hello from Peru. Mi daily routine. Hello, my name is Jimmy Davis Kanchanja Kilka. Oh, I'm very happy. I want to tell you about my daily routine here in Peru every day. I always wake up early at 6 and 30 a.m. Fresh and likes a shower and brush my teeth. Then I have breakfast with my family at 7 a.m. and usually drink maca with my family at 7. It usually drink maca with bread, meat, chicken, ham, omelette or chicken soup. After that, it go to my classes. After university study and UTP from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. in the afternoon. I usually have lunch and home sometimes. I do my activities and later I spend time playing soccer, watch my friends playing video games, or watching TV. At night, I have a dinner at 7 p.m. I never drink coffee at night because I can't stay asleep after I eat brush my teeth and watch TV until I had a sleep. Finally, I go to bed at 10 p.m. Goodbye. Thank you. Hello. Bye. Bye. Bye.